Quadrilaterals, presented by Paulina Gabrieli Matera Merhubio. In this video, I will show you the types of quadrilaterals, quadrilateral family tree, and the properties of each type. What is a quadrilateral? In geometry, a quadrilateral can be defined as a closed two-dimensional shape which has four straight sides. This polygon has four vertices or corners. What are the properties of quadrilaterals? A quadrilateral has four sides, four angles, and four vertices. A quadrilateral can be regular or irregular. The sum of all the interior angles of a quadrilateral is 360 degrees. What are the types of quadrilaterals? We have the parallelogram, rectangle, square, rhombus, trapezium, trapezoid, and the kite. The quadrilateral family tree. What is a quadrilateral family tree? A quadrilateral family tree is a diagram that helps us recognize the different types of quadrilaterals. This picture shows my own interpretation of the quadrilateral family tree. Properties of each type of quadrilateral. Parallelograms. Opposite sides are congruent. Opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles are supplementary. If one angle is right, then all the angles are right. The diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other. Each diagonal of a parallelogram separates it into two congruent triangles. A rectangle. Opposite sides are parallel and congruent. All the angles are right. The diagonals are congruent and they bisect each other. Opposite angles formed at the point where diagonals meet are congruent, and it is a special type of parallelogram whose angles are right. Square. It is a quadrilateral whose interior angles and side lengths are all equal. Each of the interior angles of a square is 90 degrees. The diagonals of a square bisect each other. The opposite sides of a square are parallel to each other. The diagonal of the square divide it into two similar isosceles triangles. Rhombus. It has four sides and four vertices. All the interior angles sum up to 360 degrees. It has two sets of opposite parallel sides. All four sides are congruent. Diagonals are perpendicular. All opposite angles are congruent. Consecutive angles sum up to 180 degrees. trapezoid. It is a quadrilateral with exactly one pair of parallel sides. The bases of the trapezoid are the parallel sides. The base angles of the trapezoid are the pair of angles that share a common base. The two consecutive angles are supplementary. The sum of the four interior angles of a trapezoid is equal to 360 degrees, and it has four vertices. These are the types of a trapezoid. A. Right trapezoid. It is a trapezoid that has a pair of right angles. B. Isosceles trapezoid. It is a trapezoid in which legs are equal in length. Scalene trapezoid. When neither the sides nor the angles of a trapezoid are equal, we call it scalene trapezoid. And lastly, the kite. The kite has two angles that are equal where the unequal sides meet. It can be viewed as a pair of congruent triangles with a common base. It has two diagonals that intersect each other at right angles. The longer or main diagonal bisects the other diagonal. A kite is symmetrical about its main diagonal. The shorter the diagonal divides the kite into isosceles triangles. The chart shows in much greater detail the distinctive characteristic of each quadrilateral so we can differentiate similarities and differences. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos, please like and subscribe to my channel. It's real.